Okay, everyone, let's go and see what happened to our paper trading. I think we lost 2 or 3 times up till now. Let's go and see what is happening. Oh, we just search LTC Litecoin. Okay, let's go and see what is happening. Okay, I think we lost another time. Let's go to history, account history. Okay, we made 2 loss, another loss again. Let's see what happened to our position. I think buy somewhere. Let's see where we buy. We buy out 106 and sell at 105. Let's see what happened. We buy at 106. Oh, sorry, this is not the Litecoin. This is market cap. Let's go to USDT. No, it's not the ThinkVNI. Let's go and see where we can find it. Let's go from the where we go to TradingView, and then we go to crypto. From here, let's go to see altcoin and go down to Litecoin. I think it must be here. It's here. Let's go and see what happened. Full chart. Okay, here it's show now. We buy here and it's solid here. We go, I think we go 1% in profit, but we lost in our stop loss. Okay, it's not a problem. Let's see what's going to happen here. I think here it's going to go, I think it's going to go down. Because of that, I'm going to start an enter trade, another position. I think we have, okay, we have this here. Let's go and start at sell. We make a stop loss here, 107, and okay, 107. No, we put it at 110. We are going to do some all in, and we are not going to take profit until here, 101. We are going to take profit here. Okay, let's start the trade. Okay, the order has been created. Let's see our order. Let's go and see it. Our position has been created and we are $80 in profit, but these profits are too low and we don't need them. Okay, like always, we are going to wait and see what is happening tomorrow. But until the next video, if you like, you can like and subscribe and watch our another videos. They are better and more useful. Have a good time.